It began in the breath of ancient humans, an invisible passenger carried in coughs and whispers. A microbe so patient, so relentless, it carved itself into our bones, our lungs, our history. Its name? Mycobacterium tuberculosis. For thousands of years, it spread in silence. It thrived in crowded cities, in dark alleys, in homes where families huddled close. It did not strike like a storm. It lingered, it weakened, it consumed. They called it the White Plague, the captain of death. It took kings, queens, artists, and poets. It inspired fear, but also art and tragedy. Chopin composed through its fever. Kafka wrote through its shadows. And millions of unnamed lives were lost in its grip. Science fought back. In the 19th century, Robert Koch peered through his microscope and revealed the culprit, a slender, rod-shaped bacterium hiding in the lungs. That moment changed medicine forever. The world finally knew its enemy. Then came antibiotics, vaccines, and global campaigns. For the first time, humanity had the power to strike back. But tuberculosis is stubborn. It resists treatment. It hides within cells. It waits. Even today, it infects millions each year, adapting to every drug we invent. It is a paradox, fragile under the microscope, yet unyielding in human history. A bacterium so small it fits in a single droplet, yet powerful enough to shape the destiny of nations. And still, the story is not over. With new science, new medicines, and global will, the tide can turn.